Have you ever bought lemonade from a kid's stand or cookies from a bakery in your neighborhood? Guess what? You just supported a small business. Now imagine someone creates a cool new app that helps people walk dogs. That's a startup. Today, let's understand what small businesses and startups really are, in a way so simple, even your little cousin could explain it. Let's start with a famous definition. A small business is a privately owned company with a small number of employees and low sales compared to big companies. A startup, on the other hand, is a new business created to solve a problem in a unique or creative way, often using technology. So a small business is like a local pizza shop. A startup is like Uber, which changed how people get rides. Small business example: Ali's Biryani Corner in your street. Run by a family, loved by locals, same menu every day. Startup example: an app called FoodWiz that lets you order home-cooked meals from your neighborhood. Startups are often trying something new, while small businesses focus on consistency. The main difference. Small businesses usually want to grow slowly, stay in one city, and keep things simple. Startups want to grow fast, expand globally, and sometimes get investors to help them. Think of it like this: a small business is like a cozy bike. A startup is like a rocket aiming for the moon. Why are they important? Both are super important for the world. They create jobs, they solve real problems, they boost the economy, they bring new ideas and energy. Famous quote by Steve Jobs, Apple's founder: "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." And startups are full of innovation. How to start one? Want to start your own business? It's like building a Lego set. Get a cool idea. Make a plan. Start small. Ask for help if needed. Don't give up. Even Amazon started in a small garage. So whether it's a small chai stall or a new social media app, if it solves a problem and makes people happy, it's a winner. Small businesses equals steady, local heroes. Startups, bold, game changers. Comment below, would you rather start a small business or a startup? Like this video, subscribe, and watch our next one.